everyone. I am here with a journal share. This is a custom order and I want to do a video on it and show you all it before she goes out in the mail. This one is 9 by 6, I believe. Oh, I don't know, I've never measured that before. Yeah, 9 by 6. And it is a cover that I made with my snippet flowers. I was going to add something in the middle, but then I thought it might be a little hard to write on it if there was something too bumpy on the front. So I didn't, and I just left the flowers as is because I think they're beautiful. I added this little faith plate on some burlap paper. And I just added this little clip, this tassel with a bead dangle on the bottom of my bead, and just some pretty little laces that I added. And you can flip this up, and I put some button trim on the spine. I just love these little buttons. I got this button trim from Hobby Lobby, and I have more flowers on the back. And the back fabric is upholstery fabric, but when I put my flowers on it, I just sewed every which way but loose to make it look more quilted and stuff. So there's just sewing everywhere on it. And it has an eyelet closure. And we'll get right into it. It has 2 signatures. I never counted the pages. Oh, I didn't count the pages. I don't know why I didn't count the pages. But yeah. Darn it. I used Artie Mays in here. Most everything in here is Artie Mays. There might be a couple little things in here that's not Artie Mays, but I think this is her Shabby Chic kit. And so I won't repeat myself a million times with that, but I will link the kit below in the description box. And on the inside, I used some of my snippet roll for a pocket right here. And this is just some DCWV paper on the back side. And there is file folder in between the fabric and the inside cover. And I sewed around most of the tags, did a little rub-on that one. And those rub-ons are something I found in my stock while I was destashing. They are these. And there's a whole bunch in here. Different ones. There's just... They repeat themselves, I think, but there's just a whole bunch of them in here. I didn't even know I had this. I was like, score! Oh, there you go. But that's these little rub-ons. And, okay, let's go. Pretty little kit. I did some stamping, did some little fabric, and coffee dyed some paper. This is just clipped on right here. I just shrunk the pages and clipped it on. Right there. This is a page out of Daphne's Diary magazine. This is pretty and colorful. Another page of the kit. And this paper is just some out of my Ray Dunn book that I have. And I just made this tag shaped and put a little dangle right here. And these are the little dress forms that come in the kit, and I just sewed them together on the top, stapled some lace, and then just did some lace right there on both sides and made a little like paper clip thing out of it. I think it's so cute. You just slide it on the paper. It's kind of like a bookmark, I guess, if you want to put it on the top and use it as a bookmark. But I just think it's pretty. And over here, I just made a tuck spot. This book is still stiff. And there's another rub-on, and sewed around that tag. Just did some little layering right there. Another book page. I used some of my snippet roll for a tab. Made a little envelope. This is an envelope, and I just cut the end off and then just used it as a tuck spot and did some layering on there. That's out of the kit. That's Tsunami Rose. And I just added this inside. And behind it is this journaling tag. some vintage book page paper. Old school, really old school paper. And in the middle of this signature, I made envelopes, and I just put some journaling cards inside them. I just sewed the 2 pages together and then used my punch and punched out a little thing right there. And after I put this in here, I'm thinking, I think this is upside down, but it looks beautiful either way, so I just left it as such. Hold on one second. Darn it. Okay, sorry about that. And here is the journaling card for this side. I just love these, so pretty. And here I just sewed this on and made like, there's a little booklet underneath here with some extra pages for journaling. And here is a bag flip out, and I just glued it down there, made a little pocket. And this is some vintage paper right here. And a little guest check, stuck that in there. And a little tuck spot here. And a big tag inside on the back. I made a little tuck spot on the back of that one. Stuck that in there, did some lace. Little tuck spot, sewn tag on the back, or sewn coffee paper on the back, some paper ruffle. And here I just clipped this on, and it's just like, I don't know, 3 pages of a to-do list from a Ray Dunn list booklet. And this flips back over. You can journal on this side as well. And then I just added this little tag with a little ephemera or flower on the top. And this cute little vintage, really old vintage card. And I just left it in this little sleeve so it was be protected. Stuck that in there. Did some layering right here. Just tucked in a couple tags on this side. Another little dangle right there. The other side of that. Over here I made a little tuck spot, and on the bottom I have some little dangly beads right there. I sewed around this pocket and added this little postcard, this little Hermelinda tag right here, and just some little tags that I had already made. And then this one is a little booklet as well. Lion frame. Oh my goodness, I love this little ribbon on here. And here is another little dangle up there. And in here I just have a couple little pieces of ephemera. And this little envelope came from S&M Tiffany Lane, I believe. This page is out, I think, of the Daphne's Diary magazine too, I believe. This is out of a little garden book that I have. If I have it right here, I'll show you, but I don't know if I have it on hand. Oh, I do not. I'm sorry. I would have showed you that book. It's so cute. And here I just sewed these little tabbies on and tucked in some cute ephemera. The Old Design Shop, I think, is where I got that. Just sewed some paper on the back of that one. Envelope page. Made a little tuck spot right here. Did some layering. This little envelope, and it's just got the little tag inside. This comes with the kit. So is that little butterfly. Little tab. And over here I just fussy cut out of some of my, this is the tablet I've been using for this. Right here, this tablet of paper. I used some of that in here, and I just fussy cut that out and put another little tag in there, a brown tag, and then these two pieces of ephemera. Oopsie. Like so. And I just clipped these on, stapled them with my little stapler, and added these two pieces of ephemera here. You can tuck one there and then one over there if you want. Oh my goodness, get back in frame. And over here I did the belly band. And I just put this there because sometimes the belly bands aren't tight and the things will fall out, and I don't like that. So just a little journaling tag. And this is out of one of those magazines as well. And I just think this is so gorgeous. So I put it in here. I was going to use this on the front of a journal one day, but I just think it's so pretty, and so I wanted to put it in here. Again, in the middle of the signature, and there's just journaling cards inside. A little pocket over here with some little dangles. And then these two journaling cards. I just sewed some fabric ruffle on the top right there and added, there's like 3 pages of this booklet or tablet, and then this beautiful card, and then this little guy. And over here, this is another little booklet tablet. You know, when I say tablet, these little guys, I love these. And I just put that on there. Oh my goodness gracious. I'll just shut that off. And this is a paper clip, altered paper clip, and a little envelope with a journaling card inside. And I just paper clipped that on there, tucked this in, and there we put that on there. And I have another dangle right there. And over here, this is an envelope, and I just put another big journaling page in here, coffee dyed journaling page. I made a little pocket, did some layering. This page is out of my gardening book about cactuses. Let's tuck that in there, a little journaling card, and oh my gosh, everything's going off. This is insane. Every time I want to make a video. There we go. Okay, and then over here, I just did the same thing, fussy cut. All these phone calls are making me, oh my goodness, making me flustered. I love this. And then this journaling card. And on the back, I have another little tuck spot. Oh my goodness, hold on one second. Okay, sorry. Good grief. Just have a little tablet and another little journaling card there. Oops, I put that in backwards. See, they got me all flustered. The phone won't be quiet. Here's the other side of that page. And, oh, that was not the book either. And over here I just have a lace pocket. And I put some journaling pages right there. And a repair tag. And this is out of Daphne's diary as well. I just love this photo. So I put that inside. And the other page of that. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, I love it. Just looking at that makes me happy. And then another little dangle right here. Some paper ruffle. And on the back, I just added this little plate right here. This book belongs to, and some more snippet pocket with these 2 little pieces of ephemera from the kit. And this has got a tuck spot back here too, like right there. And then these two. And that is my journal for today. So sorry about that phone business. Oh my gosh. I don't know what to do about that. Because as soon as I turn the camera on, it's over. It's all over. But the phone is going to ring and ring and ring and ring every time I do. So, I hope you enjoyed this journal, and please don't forget to subscribe and like, and I will be having another little video coming soon on my little minis that I made. And yeah, have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.